Good morning, students, and welcome in our science class. We are learning lesson number 2, adaptations for survival in plants. In previous video, we have seen about underwater plants. Today, we are going to see about some non-green plants. As you have seen the title, that is non-green plants, means we are going to learn about those plants which are not green in color. So first of all, I will read the paragraph. Listen me carefully. Some non-green plants. Have you seen a mushroom plant? If no, then ask your mother to show it to you. Mushrooms, molds and beach drops are non-green plants that lack chlorophyll. Since these plants cannot make their own food through photosynthesis, they absorb food from other sources. As you can see, this is a picture of mold on a slice of bread. As you can see, this is the picture of bread, and this black color part is nothing but this is the mold. Mold is a type of a plant. These plants do not contain chlorophyll in it. Thus, it doesn't have chlorophyll in it. Its color is not green. That's why it is called as non-green plant. So, if this plant do not contain chlorophyll, it means they cannot perform photosynthesis. If these plants cannot perform photosynthesis, it means they cannot make their own food. So, how do they get their food? So, these plants grow on and decaying plants. These plants get their food from the other plants. Some ये जो नॉन ग्रीन प्लांट्स होते हैं ये ग्रीन कलर के नहीं होते. क्यों? क्योंकि इनके अंदर क्लोरोफिल ही नहीं होता है. क्लोरोफिल नहीं होने की वजह से इनका कलर ग्रीन नहीं होता, और क्लोरोफिल ना होने की वजह से ये जो प्लांट्स होते हैं फोटोसिंथेसिस कैरी आउट नहीं कर सकते. इसका मतलब ऐसे जो प्लांट्स होते हैं ये अपना फूड नहीं बना सकते. तो फिर ये अपना फूड कैसे लेते हैं? तो ये क्या करते हैं, डेड और डिकेइंग जो प्लांट्स होते हैं जो कूदते हैं, या फिर एनिमल्स जो होते हैं जो कूदने लग जाते हैं, या फिर सड़ी कोई चीज़ होती है उसके ऊपर ये ग्रो होना शुरू हो जाते हैं. ये प्लांट्स के ऊपर आते हैं या फिर एनिमल्स के ऊपर, रॉक के ऊपर आपको मिल जाएंगे. तो ये कहीं पे भी आ सकते हैं. ऐसे ये प्लांट्स है. तो दिस इज़ अबाउट सम नॉन ग्रीन प्लांट्स. द एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ नॉन ग्रीन प्लांट्स आर मशरूम्स, मोल्ड्स एंड बीच drops. So these plants do not contain chlorophyll and obtain their food from the other sources. Okay, it's time for your bingo's knowledge bank. Why can't fixed plant grow underwater? So yesterday we have learned about the underwater plants. So they are asking us why fixed plants cannot grow like underwater. So as we have seen that fixed plants adaptation to underwater plants. जो अंडर वाटर प्लांट्स होते हैं ये कैसे होते हैं, पानी के अंदर जाकर ग्रो होते हैं, पूरे डूब जाते हैं वो. पर फिक्स प्लांट्स के जो लीव्स और बाकी का जो पार्ट होता है वो पानी के ऊपर होता है, और उनकी जो ब्रीदिंग सिस्टम है वो फिक्स प्लांट्स और से अलग है. तो इसीलिए फिक्स प्लांट होते हैं वो अंडर वाटर प्लांट्स की तरह. I will show you some pictures of some non-green plants, that is mushroom, molds and beach drops. This is the plant of mushroom. See, this mushroom plant is growing on other plant. Okay, so this is how mushrooms grow. These are edible mushrooms. We can eat these mushrooms. There are also some other mushrooms which we cannot eat. They are poisonous. Okay. Next, this is the example of beach drop. Okay, this is how the plants look like. These plants grow on the roots of other trees. Okay, this is the zoom part of picture of beach drop. See, this is the flowers of this beach drop, and these are the seeds of this beach drop. Okay, and this is the picture of molds. So this is how you can see on the trees. So basically these plants grow on the trees or on the rotten or decaying and or animals also. Okay, so this is about some non-green plants. See you in the next